Kaboom! Step one of making your Pinto worth more money, you gotta clean it out. I had a mouse in there last week. Let's see if we can get him to leave. Step 2, detailing your interior. I use tire shine. Most of the dash is plastic. The tires are rubber, which is like plastic. Comes from oil, which this is like, so it's like the circle of life. You just gotta give her a good old shake and work it in there. Nice, continuous, heavy coat. Make that dash look like brand new. And then just gently ease it in with a rag to finish it off. Ooh. Ah. Then don't forget to check them fluids there. Yep. That'll work. Sure. Ow! Now I'm going to take you into town and show you the most important part of increasing the value of your Pinto station wagon. Gotta get them turbos pre-lubed. Alright, off to town we go. Now the most crucial part of increasing the value of your 1980 Ford Pinto station wagon, and really of any car nowadays, fill it up with gas. Let's get the good stuff today. Somebody got triggered.
Please don't text and drive.
Step 23rd, give it a bath.
Please select your wash package now.
Oh, well, give me a second.
Please select your wash package now. Please select an option.
Hot wax for $3.
Please add payment for your selection.
Every little bit counts, folks.
the deluxe wash. You may enter the wash if it is ready.
Well, this is gonna go one of two ways. Either really good or really bad. Oh boy! Yep! Didn't pass that very good! Oh! It's in park, alright? Let's get the show on the road. Great. Now I got wet pants. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh God. This is a regret. Much regret. What's this now? Looks like a billy goat puked on my car. Uh-oh. You ready? Another protective product. I'm gonna have to up the insurance value. I'm getting a wet ass. Oh no. Oh boy. This part scares me the most. Oh, it's trying to tear my car apart. Oh! Oh my God. I guess we're talking rain tonight. And that's how that's all done. Well, as always, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed that. I'd like to throw a few random funny videos in there every once in a while. I think people nowadays could use a bit of a laugh. Like, subscribe, and stay tuned. We got parts on the way for that 56 International flatbed, and I'm hoping soon to bring that 67 Impala home and get to work on that. Now, let's see if we can do a burnout. See you later.